So I want to just do a 5-minute PD on using seamstress tape. You can get this off Amazon and I'm sure other places, and they're cheap. They might be $1 each, but they are so good because they have the numbers on them and they're big, and you can flip it, and on the back you get a number line that goes all the way up to like 150, so it's excellent for 2nd grade. And then I just tape off, or sometimes I'll just cut to where I want it to go so the kids have the number line. So in the beginning I'm just going to start with 20, right? I just wanted to go 20, and now I can have the kids look at the numbers and say, oh, I'm at 5, how many more to 12? Right, 5 plus what makes 12? Oh, I am going to add one more. I'm at 5, jump 1. And so the kids can physically like do that jump, because some kids will count the number that they're starting at, but if you're on the number line, you can see, oh, I have to jump, right? And so, getting kids to like 4 plus 0, what are you going to do? Oh, I'm not going to move. It's the same number. Oh, 4 plus 1, I'm going to jump 1. 4 plus 2, oh, I'm going to jump 2. But what if I told you 2 plus 5? Oh, start with the big number and jump 2, right? So getting kids to really be able to act out the problems on like a big number line, seamstress tape is wonderful for that. And you can use it in guided math groups too. And then you can, when you in 2nd grade, we start working with larger numbers, you do stuff like you say, well, I want you to start at 27, and I want you to add 14. So then kids can see, well, if I start at 27, 28, 29, 30, I want to get to 30. So now I only have 11 more to jump. So I'm going to jump 10 to 40, and then one more, right? So the strategies that you want them to use, getting to a friendly 10, is really good. And what you might do is take permanent marker, or have the kids take it, and go through and even circle the benchmark numbers. Like, so kids know, oh, I'm trying to get to 30, or I'm trying to get to 40, right? So that's important. That's a way to do it as well, so that you're really benchmarking those 10s. So I would get you some seamstress tape, and then on the back, now these are, you can see them up close, but when you turn it over, you can go and benchmark. This is 100. So now kids, can add within 100. So I love these. They're quick, they're easy, and you can do a lot of really good work with them. So that's your 5-minute PD about the number line.